Hi students, welcome to online classes, third class mathematics. I am Christopher. In this class, let us discuss third class maths numbers. So, what is the topic? Comparison of numbers. Let us discuss in this class comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. What is comparison? Comparing the numbers. That means we know so many numbers. Almost we know up to 1000 numbers, 2000 numbers, up to 10,000 numbers maybe, you know, very easy. So, but in that numbers, which is big number, which is small number, which is big number or which is a small number, to identify these numbers, small number, big number. So, this identification is called comparison. If you know this number is big, if this number is small, then you can say that, okay, easily. You can compare that numbers. So, let us take numbers and compare. So, how we can compare the numbers easily? What are the rules? Already in the previous class you have learned that rules, first rule, second rule is there. So, let us revise once again that rules. First rule, what is the first rule? For example, if you take two numbers, okay, one number has 4 digits. How many digits? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. You take another number also. For example, 3, 9, 4. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. In this number, 4 digits are there. In this number, 3 digits are there. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 digits. Okay. So, by observing this number of digits, you can simply say which is big number, which is small number. From these two numbers, now which is big number? Yes, exactly. This is the big number. Why? It has more digits. It has less digits. So, what is the rule 1? If the number has more digits, it's a big number. Okay, simply you can remember more digits. Okay, big number. Big number. In which number has more digits, it's a big number. Okay, for example. So, like that. So, while comparing, you have to use symbols. So, it's a big number than this number. So, which symbol we have to use? Use greater than. This is greater than. Okay. So, when you write this number is greater than this number, 2304. 2304 is greater than 394. Here only hundreds are there, here thousands are there. Okay. So, like that you can take another number also. You can take another number. For example, 891. Here we can take 1894. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? 3 digits. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Okay, so in this number only 3 digits, in this number 4 digits are there. So now you can understand which number is big number. This is big number, this is small number. So now you have to say that this number is smaller than this number. Okay, so how can you say in mathematics 891 is less than 1894? This is 1000. Okay, 1894. So how to write less than? So you can write this symbol, less than symbol. Okay, this is less than, this is greater than. So 891 is less than 1894. So like that we can compare. So when the number of digits is different, which number has more digits? That's a big number. Which number has a less digits? It's a small number. Okay. For example, if the digits are same, then how can you say which is big number and which is small number? Let us take a second one. If the digits are same, that means number of digits equal, or you can say equal number of digits. For example, 2407, 2407, 2407, 2407. You can take another number, 3408. Count the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits. Here how many digits are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 digits are there. That means in the two numbers, there are 4 digits only. Then how to identify which is a big number, which is a small number? So we have to see first the last digit, that means in the highest place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. In thousands place, what is the digit present in the first number? Like that in the second number also, what is the digit present in thousands place? Here in thousands place 2 is there. In the second number in thousand place 3 is there. So which one is bigger number? 3 is the big number. So you can say this number is big number, this number is small number. So how to write? You can write, so 2407 is less than 3408. So this number is less than this number. So less than means which symbol? This is the less than symbol. You can write less than. Okay, less than symbol. So like that you can keep. For example, one more number, you can take one more number. 3497 and 6102. So observe the thousands place. Here 3, here 6. So 3 is less than 6. So which symbol we have to keep? Less than symbol again. 3497 is less than 6102. Okay, you can take one more number. 9007, and here you can take 6007. So which is big number, which is small number? Compare thousands now. Okay, thousands place digit. Here 9 is there, here 6 is there. So which is big number? Exactly 9 is the big number. So 9007 is greater than 6007. So you have to keep greater than symbol. You have to keep greater than symbol. Okay, so like that you can observe only the first digit is, if it is not different, okay, so you can identify. For example, sometimes the first digit will be same, here 9, here also 9. Then how to remember, how to identify? Let us see. That is also, I will give some examples. Observe this number. So which is big number and which is a small number? First we have to see thousands number. Okay, thousands place digit. Observe the digit in thousands place. Here 6 is there, here also 6 is there. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 digits are there. In this also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. Thousands place same. Here 6. Here also 6, both are equal. Then how to identify? How to identify which is a big number and which is a small number? Yes, we can see the next digit. If the digit in thousands place is the same, then see hundreds place. Compare hundreds place. In hundreds place, here 5. Here 4. So we got the answer. 5 is greater than 4. Then this number is greater than this number. So 6507 is greater than 6468. So you have to keep the symbol greater than symbol in between these two numbers. Let us take one more number. For example, if the 100 place, for example, if the 100 place also equal, what to do? 6, 5, 0, 7. Okay. So here 6, 5, 6, 8, for example, like that. So compare thousands place digit. Both are equal. Here 6, thousands place 6, here also thousands place 6. Then next one we have to compare hundreds place. Hundreds place here 5, here also 5. That means in hundreds place also we got same number. So the next number you have to compare, that is tens place. Tens place, what is the digit here? 0. What is the digit here in tens place? 6. So which is big number? 6 is big number. And 0 is small number. So we can understand this number is smaller, this number is bigger. That means 6507 is less than 6568. So which symbol you have to place? Less than symbol. Okay, 6507 is less than 6568. For example, tens place also equal, tens place also same number is there. Then you have to observe ones place. So for example, observe this number 6, 5, 6, 7. This side 6, 5, 6, 8. Now compare the numbers. Which is big number? Which is small number? Okay. Let us compare first thousands place. Thousands place 6, 6 equal. Okay. Thousands place is equal. And next hundreds place you have to observe. Hundreds place here 5, here also 5 equal. And tens place observe here 6, here also 6. That means 6 tens, 6 tens equal. Now the last digit ones place observe here 7 ones are there, here 8 ones are there. 7 ones is less than 8 ones. 7 ones less than 8 ones. So 6567 is less than 6568. So this is the symbol. Less than symbol you have to place between these two numbers. I think you got the answer. Okay, do you understand? So like this we can compare the numbers, which is a big number, which is small number. So after observing this, we have a exercise. You can keep the symbols, just keeping the symbols. After observing, just keep the symbol. If the number on the left side is big number, you have to place greater than. If the number left side is a small number, place less than. Okay. Left side number, if it is big, place greater than. Left side number, if it is small, place less than. That much only. Okay. So by observing this, you have to fill the numbers. Okay. You have to fill the boxes given in the exercise. So page number 83. Page number 83, first one, fill in the blanks using greater than or less than. So here some numbers are given, just A to I. So you have to place the less than or greater than. And one more, circle the largest number. Here some group of numbers is given. So you have to circle that a big number. And the third Roman, circle the smallest number. So like this, compare and smallest number you have to circle it. This 3 Romans you have to do as a homework, and take a picture and send to me. I will check who are doing nicely and I will give you feedback. If you have any doubts, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Thank you. We will meet again in the next class.